The energy is totally different from the automotive side.
We test things from airlines, V-1 bomber, Patriot missiles.
Some of the parts that we build are just amazing.
You don't have 3 and 4 hours. You need to be able to do that in a matter of minutes.
Delcam is the answer to that question. We stay in what's called the aging aircraft industry. 99% of the time, all we're receiving is just drawings. FeatureCAM is an absolute requirement in our business. The parts that we're building today was being machined on 5 to 7 different types of machines in order to complete one project, whereas utilizing Delcam software in a 5-axis type application on a trunnion, you're able to complete the project in one setup. Net effect is more contract awards.
As our main industry started to slow down, we started to get into the energy field. The software we're using was making us fall farther and farther behind. We narrowed it down to PowerMILL being the best for what we want to do, and we can get it out the door a lot quicker. With PowerMILL being there, we know we can tackle from small to big.
We make parts for the locomotive industry, the S&K RB4. It's a 5-axis positional. It also has the capability bed-wise to hold all that weight. It interfaces very easily with FeatureCAM.
FeatureCAM is an enormous competitive advantage. We're able to move parts out of here in time frames that we never would have in the past.
We build aftermarket parts for aircraft, military parts as far as missiles go. In the past 10 years, we've been using FeatureCAM, and it's just changed how we do everything. I can run the business, I can program the part, I can go run the part, I can do everything all within a couple hours. It looks exactly the same coming off the machine as it does on the program, and that's just phenomenal. I've turned away very few jobs because I know that I can get through it with FeatureCAM.
We might set up 4 or 5 jobs in one day. All of these jobs are 5-axis or they require multiple sides. PowerMILL allows us to quickly change and move parts wherever we need to on the machine and repost the program. PowerMILL just opened up an entire new world for us.
I manufacture piece parts for a lot of pneumatic fittings, pneumatic manifolds. There's a lot of features about FeatureCAM that make my life easier. The fact that it's feature-based and not tool-based saves a lot of time, particularly when you start getting into doing complicated parts that have lots of different patterns of different hole sizes. FeatureCAM significantly decreased my programming time. It's increased my programming accuracy. It's decreased the amount of files and data that I have to keep track of. It's kind of amazing that a basic seat will do this.
We're a precision machine shop that builds components for aerospace, military. I needed software that guys could be up and running in a matter of days, and with FeatureCAM we're able to do that. FeatureCAM's reduced our programming time to minutes instead of hours.
Which makes it beneficial for our customers. They can just send us a model and we're able to bring it into ours with no problem whatsoever.
Make kayaks, sheds, tables, chairs.
PowerMILL takes a lot of the guesswork out. The software has separated the steep from shallow areas, and that has saved us, I don't know how many hours of runtime on the machine. A very powerful CAM software.
We've had students never actually even operating a machine going straight into using FeatureCAM as programmers and been very successful at it. FeatureCAM gives confidence to a young programmer or a CNC operator, and that's what they're looking for when they go into industry.
And I picked up on it very easily. I'm only 17, but I've had a job for a year.
We are training students to go to work not just immediately, but in the future, and I can see FeatureCAM playing a big role in that. They're on the cutting edge of CAM software.
It's definitely the best I've ever used.
Our experience with Delcam has totally been a partnership.
Not only are we happy, but so are our customers.
I cannot visualize running this business without Delcam.